I love WhiteWater World very much for its exciting rides and joyful atmosphere. However, the park is quite small and there are long queues for exciting rides, which takes more than an hour for one ride. Finally, I paid extra for express ride to save time waiting in what amazing in-park experience. The staff were super friendly and engaging. Also loved the QR code order for in-park food. It was a great day out with the family. A few areas were shut off for maintenance/upgrades, but overall it was good. Easy booking. Although a couple of activities were closed, it was still fun. WhiteWater World is a water park, co-located with iconic Australian theme park, Dreamworld, and is filled with slides, water play attractions, pools and so much more. WhiteWater World is the perfect place to cool down in the summer months and make splash-tastic new